declare the first Ashmita Rowing League in Hyderabad open.
This is history actually. The first Ashmita League for women was held here in Hyderabad on Hussain Sagar. Hussain Sagar has been a venue for a number of nationals as well as one Asian Championship also. But this Ashmita, the rules of Ashmita we thought will not attract rowers from all over. But I see, I'm very pleasantly surprised to see the enthusiasm and the participation from the 8 cities which we picked up. So Ashmita will take off now. When we have the second one, the incentive is also the cash awards, the glitter glamour, better kit, exposure on the media, capability of us to spot talent.
Actually, I think this is a very exciting time for rowing, that the Khelo India initiative has come forward to sponsor the women's league under the banner of the Ashmita. And I think the girls have a lot to look forward to, because originally it is to be one senior national every year, and subsequently this is going to be looked forward to as a very big event. And unfortunately it's clashing with the exams, otherwise I'm sure the turnout would have been in much larger numbers had it been a month earlier. So I'm hoping that it is going to be a big spur for the sport of rowing from here on. So we divided the country into 8 parts, or zones you can say, depending on where the rowers were coming from maximum. And then we just contacted the coaches over there and said, would you be willing to come on board and take this initiative forward? And suddenly it started escalating and there was so much excitement all over. And that's how we just named the cities from where the size centers were and where the best catchment was.
स्पेशली वुमेन की जो स्पोर्ट्स को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए जो साई ने फर्स्ट स्टेप उठाया है, आज तक रोइंग में कोई वुमेन्स लीग या कोई भी लीग, मेंस का भी लीग नहीं हुआ, ये फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ है। तो सबसे पहले तो साई और अपना सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के लिए, इसके लिए मैं उनका बहुत आभारी हूँ कि उन्होंने इस चीज़ को शुरू किया। और मैं ये जानता हूँ कि इसमें लीग में काफ़ी बच्चे, अप्रोक्स 250 बच्चे पार्ट ले रहे हैं गर्ल्स, और इनका फ्यूचर में बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट होने वाला है। इस लीग में अपना ही ओनली एक स्टेट का ही बच्चा नहीं खेल रहा है, आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ मिलकर के टीम बन रही है, जिससे कि जैसे कि एक नेशनल टीमें तैयार होती हैं, उस हिसाब से टीमें तैयार होकर यहाँ पर आई हैं।